So I have shown you some beautiful photographs of the past of the river. I'll show you a relatively recent photograph of the same river. This is photograph in 2014 or 15. The river is so beautiful still. It is near to a village called Muthe. Muthe village. So it is on the road to Lavasa, near to Source region. So it is not more than around 35 kilometers from this spot. If you go across, traversing the bank of the river. So within 35 kilometers from this to this is what we are doing to the river. But the hope is that if on upstream side, if this is possible, why it cannot be possible over here also? And this is the dream which we are trying to sell to the people of Pune, that we want this river, we want this picture inside the city also, and which is possible. We believe that it is possible. It is possible only if all the people dream and act, because it is not the work of government alone. It is the work of all of us. And if we all contribute in whatever way we can, definitely this dream will be a reality, at least for future generations. To conclude our story, many times when we say this, when we put this dream in front of the people, there are a lot of skeptic voices, because people say that this is not possible here. In our society, people are corrupt, government is corrupt, people are irresponsible, people will not listen to you, and all these things. But we give them this example of Dr. Narendra Dabholkar. So incidentally, he had a bitter memory over here on the same bridge. He was murdered just at that spot. But one of his work was about stopping the immersion of Ganesh idols in the river directly. Personally, I am witness to that work since my childhood, because I used to reside very close to this place earlier during my childhood. So we used to, during Ganesh festival, we used to come here at Omkareshwar Temple Ghat for Ganesh immersion. And he used to be standing over there at the gate, with folded hand, and requesting each and every family who is coming there, explaining very patiently, scientifically why it should not be done, and how this is not related to religious feelings and things like that, and why we should stop polluting the river. The river is already polluted, and why you should not do that. So there was an age where people were ridiculing him. People were making fun of him. Some people even attacked him that time. That you are disturbing our religious sentiments and things like that. But since first year, some sensible people started following that.
Right.
They were in few numbers, maybe not even 10. But by looking at those people, next year more joined. Next year still more joined. And this became a movement. And at some point of time, the local corporation had to provide the immersion tanks.
Right.
We could see one where we started the walk. So this is how the change takes place. Today now in Pune city, an estimated around 70 to 80% idols are immersed not in river water but in immersion tanks. This is a big change. It has gradually come in last 20-25 years it took. But it was possible only because of people's participation. People could identify with that. Sensible people, set an example in front of the larger society who followed them. voluntarily. There is no law. But before the law, the people made this happen. Even by breaking the tradition of 100 plus years, these prestigious mandals, मानाचे गणपती, त्यांनी सुद्धा those people also started following this practice since last 3 years. So which was unbelievable at some point of time, that maybe the whole city will do it, but they will not do it because of their firm beliefs. But if they can be changed, they can be converted. This is also possible. That is what we generally believe, that it is possible with people like you and me. We feel that what we can do individually, and even if I do, if everybody else is not doing anything, this is not going to change. But rather than that, let us look at a chance to educate each and every person who is coming in our contact, making them aware, because awareness is the first step. When you are aware that certain things are not right, and you can be a solution to transform that into a better thing, a better world for future generations. So on that note, we end this walk. Thanks a lot for giving us the opportunity to convey all these information plus feelings to you.